the 2013 Fiat 500. This two-door, four-passenger hatchback just recently passed the 60,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split-folding rear seat, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.